In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom deal stages in Monday.com. To get started, head over to your Monday.com homepage. This is the main dashboard where you can access your boards, workflows, and sales tools. Starting from the homepage makes it easier to navigate directly to the area where your deals are managed. Once you're on the homepage, go to Deals. This is where your sales pipeline lives, and it's also where custom stages become especially useful. Custom deal stages help you organize opportunities based on where they are in your sales process. Instead of relying on a generic pipeline, you can tailor the stages to match the way your team actually works, which makes tracking and reporting much more accurate. Next, add a new group. In Monday.com, groups can be used to represent different deal stages in your pipeline. This feature is helpful because it allows you to visually separate deals by status, making the board easier to scan and manage. When each stage has its own group, your team can quickly understand what needs attention and what has already progressed. Now add an in-progress stage. This stage is useful for deals that are active and currently being worked on, but haven't yet reached a more advanced milestone. It's an essential part of a pipeline, because it captures deals that are moving forward and helps prevent them from getting overlooked during follow-up. After that, add a negotiation stage. This stage is for deals that have moved beyond the initial discussion and are now in the phase where pricing, terms, or scope are being reviewed. It's important because it identifies opportunities that are close to a decision, allowing your team to focus on the conversations that may directly impact closing. Next, add a proposal sent stage. This stage is ideal for deals where a formal offer or proposal has already been shared with the prospect. It's essential because once a proposal is sent, the deal usually enters a more serious evaluation phase, and keeping these opportunities grouped together helps with timely follow-up. Then add a qualified stage. This stage is for leads or opportunities that have been reviewed and confirmed as a good fit. It's a key stage because it separates serious prospects from early or unverified leads, helping your pipeline stay clean and focused. Now add a one stage. This is where you place deals that have successfully closed. It's important because it gives your team a clear record of successful outcomes and makes performance tracking much easier. Then, add a lost stage. This stage is for deals that did not move forward. Even though these opportunities didn't close, tracking them is still essential because it helps your team understand patterns, improve the sales process, and learn from missed opportunities. All of the stages you add will be automatically saved, so there's no need to manually save your changes. And that's how you add custom stages on Monday.com. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.